Watch out.
Really hey guys, our throttle's stuck halfway on this thing, so. How's it going? Yeah. Our throttle's hung up.
Our throttle's got a Larry on it.
Our throttle's stuck! Our throttle's stuck! Hey guys, we're here at the Atlantic Nationals here in Moncton, Canada. Clear on the East Coast. Beautiful weather today. So far the rain's holding out, so we're really close to the coast. And I think this is my third time here at this show. Lots of cool people, lots of cool cars, and lots of old friends that I've known over the years. I've come to this so many times that these are like my friends now. So it's a lot of fun to be here. I'm gonna go walk around and look at all these cars, so follow along. This is a 71 Chevelle. The thing that's special about this car is my grandma had one just like this.
And I think it was a 4-door.
It was a 2-door.
He thinks it was a 2-door.
Because when he wasn't born yet, I was driving around in this car when I was 6 years old.
But I've seen pictures.
I don't know what my grandpa was thinking, but he put seat covers in it, the plastic.
Yeah.
It was like plastic with these little, I don't know, you could like push the little pieces in. Do you remember what I'm talking about, Donald?
Yeah, they had the...
So my sister's recording this right now.
And you could pop them.
And she drove in the car too.
Yeah.
So anyway, I just thought it was really cool to share that because I remember her having like this hot rod, and then I think my grandpa painted it red.
Dude, I don't know, I wasn't alive.
But I remember driving around in that car with my face up against the air conditioner in the Vegas heat, like trying to breathe the cold air through the vent
because so hot.
It was so hot.
So hot.
And those cars, you didn't have tinted windows. But my grandma was only about this big, and she would just drive the hell out of that car. I remember leaving the lights, doing a little burnout.
I could see her doing that. She was feisty. Cool car though.
It looks just like it was. It looks just like that car.
It's way cool.
All right, we're gonna relive our childhood memories. So let's get in here. Come on, Dave.
So why did we get me involved in this again?
This actually feels exactly like, it smells like grandma's car. But see that vent? That's the one I used to put my face around. And then me and Donnelly would get up there and lay in the deck.
On the deck?
You remember laying in the deck up there, Donnelly? This right here, I remember laying up there like, and it was hot. Like, what were we doing?
You were just trying to get comfortable, man.
Grandma would get in this thing and she goes, "Ah, all right, you want to go to Dairy Queen?" Yeah. All right, let's give this guy a big old hug. All right, memory lane. Okay, day 2 at the Atlantic Nationals, and today's a lot better. Yesterday it was raining like crazy, and but it was still crowded. Like, the Canadians don't care. They'll come out like when it's raining, snowing. So when you get a half nice day, they'll show up. Today's great. We got a little overcast. I think today was a Vegas high in temperature, so it's really nice to be here. And there's some really cool cars. One of the cool cars that I liked today was there was an old guy that pulled in here. He was probably in his 80s. It was like maybe a 31 Roadster with a nail head in it. He had a quick change in it. You could tell this guy probably built this car probably in the 60s. He actually ran it down at the Mirage down in California. I can't even remember what year he said, but it actually was a raced car. But I'm real big into the 30s. I love the 30s, and it was just really cool to see this old guy come rolling in this thing, and I'm telling you, he's in his 80s. But it had a nail head with a quick change. He had all the right stuff on it. Magneto for the distributor, like it was all right for period correct. It was actually my vote of the car show. There's so much cool stuff out here, and the people are certainly nice, and I don't know, I love this car show. It's fun. I hope I get to come back again. Good job on that car. I really like that. So back again, this is what, my third year? And it's so consistent. Like, it seems like every year it's just like this. I had a great time this year again. I mean, the weather was, to me, awesome. Like, you guys are all going, oh, sorry about the weather. I'm like, dude, it's 115 in Vegas today. Lots of cool cars this year. I've seen so many guys that got so much talent. It's cool to see all you people out here with your cool cars. And I love this country, and I love you guys. You guys are some of our best fans. Down in the States, like me and my sister here that's with me today, we always talk about how good the Canadian fans are. So we just want to tell you thank you for being so supportive and loving WelderUp, Vegas Rat Rods, and I just want to say thank you. So thanks for having me up again.
Okay, come on. We'll have you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Love to have you.
Thanks for having me out here.
Hey everybody, so these guys asked me to just share like a couple words for a minute, and I love this show. I think a lot of you heard me say today that this is my favorite show. It's the best one I've ever been to. You know, in life, a lot of times I just base things off of the way that I feel. This place is a place that has a really, really good soul and spirit in it, and I have been grateful to just be affiliated with all of you. Thank you for your warm welcomes, your hospitality. This show is amazing, though. Don't take for granted what you have here. It's really unique and rare. This is what keeps hot rodding alive. Yeah, I'm just humbled to be here. Thanks. I appreciate it. So y'all have a great weekend. Yeah, thanks for having me.
The trophies are gone. Yep. All the prizes are gone. Yep. Okay, see you next year.